In this video, I'm going to show you the best way how you can put affiliate links on your website as a product. So actually for this on WordPress, we need WooCommerce as well. If you don't know what WooCommerce is, it's basically a plugin that allows us to convert our WordPress website into a store. So as you can see, here we have WooCommerce and the products. That's what you want to do first. And here we can add a new product. So let's say our product is a keyboard. We can call it keyboard. We can find the product on Amazon. I've already found this actually. I'm using the Amazon affiliate program, but you can use basically anything you want, of course. I'm just going to do a keyboard and then add the description. Of course, make this look good. I'm just going to use this in this video as an example. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Make it paragraph. And here is where we can set it up. So we can make this a external /affiliate product. So the product URL will be your affiliate link, of course. So here you have to put your affiliate link. The button text will be buy on Amazon. Then we can put in the regular price, and that is $29. Just like that. And that's basically that. We can go to inventory. We don't have to do anything with this. Link product. You can do an upsell. Is not necessary. Attributes. You can leave this like this as well. Advanced as well. And these two as well. So we can add a product short description, which is not required. We can add an image, which is required basically because, yeah, it has to look good. Here I have the image. Place it like that. We can also add categories right here, a gallery. I'll leave this up to you guys. I'm not going to use all of these things because I don't think it's necessary for an affiliate product. But if you hit publish right now, we can see that this is the link. And if we go to it, this is how it will look like. So you can send people to this product on your website. And then when they want to buy, they hit buy on Amazon and they'll be redirected to Amazon with your link and you get a commission. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe and see you next time. Have a good day.